Clean, 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 let's clean today. Clean, 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 let's clean today. Blocks go here and books go there. Teddy sits upon the chair. Clean, clean, clap with me. Happy room is fun to see. Johnny smiles and Bubbo too. Clean in time is fun to do. Clean in time is fun to do. Pick it up one by one. Cleaning can be full of fun. Shoes go down, cars in line. Shoes go down, cars in line. Now the room is looking fine. Clean, clean, clap with me. Happy room is fun to see. Tiny hands can help along. Clean together, sing this song. Clean together, sing this song. Red blocks, blue blocks, yellow too. Red blocks, blue blocks, yellow. Put them back, that's what we do. Books on shelf, toys in box. Tick, tick goes little clock. Clean, clean, clap with me. Happy room is fun to see. Johnny waves and Bubbo cheers. Clean room brings happy smiles here. Clean room brings happy smiles here. All together, hip hooray, we cleaned our room today.
Hi friends! Welcome to RhymeRomp! Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time!